Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out this really pretty looking product. This is from the brand Girlactik, which I seem to get a lot in both Ipsy and Boxycharm. And this here is one of the new products, the Metallic Eye Sparkle. So I got this here in the shade Glam, but this comes in a bunch of different shades and really all of the shades looked so pretty to me. This one honestly is probably the shade that I would have chosen last out of the shades that this comes in, but I got this in my August 2022 Boxycharm base box, so I didn't actually have a choice in this shade, but it does seem like Boxycharm tends to send me shades that are a little out of my comfort zone or basically just not my first choice of shades, and sometimes it really works out great. Sometimes it definitely doesn't, but this does seem like a easy to wear, neutral type of shade, and packaging seems nice. This retails for $20. It's cruelty-free and vegan. And let's go ahead and check out what this applicator looks like. Okay, this seems like a good applicator for this type of product. It's a flat, rounded doe foot kind of paddle applicator. I guess not technically a doe foot then. And it doesn't say that you just paint it on and leave it. It says that you apply it and then blend it out with a brush or your finger. I mean, oh, it actually is not showing up quite as dark as I was expecting. I actually do kind of want to just like paint it all over. Wow, this shade is a lot more like toned down, a lot more wearable than I was expecting. That's actually really pretty. And it's not super metallic, not super sparkly, but it does have a little bit of like sheen, I guess, that is kind of giving like a glossy eye look. But yikes, as I'm trying to blend it out with my finger, it is not easy to blend. It just is kind of disappearing. I really liked how it looked when I applied it, just like painted on, but it is definitely not working to apply with my finger. It's just removing it. It's all on my finger now. It does say you can also blend it out with a brush. I'll give it a try. Let's see if that works any better. You know, actually, I'm going to just go ahead and just paint it on this eye, and we'll see if I can let it dry, and then I'll try blending it with a brush on the other eye while this dries down. Because I really like how it looks like this. See, painted on. You've got full opaque color, that sheen. I mean, it's a really pretty shade, actually. Good job, Boxycharm, sending me a shade that I actually really like, that I wouldn't have chosen on my own. But okay, just gonna apply like a little messy all over the eye. And let's see if I can just use like this flat brush and blend it out. I mean, it's the same thing. It just seems to be removing it. And then I'm left with just the slightest little subtle of silver sparkle that it doesn't even, it's like not even doing anything. But then the eye painted on, I do like that. Like, can I just blend it a little bit more in the crease here? I definitely don't like the blending technique. But painted on, I love this color all over. Like maybe a little crease shade to smooth over that edge, but it's kind of hard to find a shade that you can just wear as the only shade on the lid. But I love this. Like with the shine, the way it catches the light, it looks so good. But only if I can paint it on, which you kind of can. Like, it is drying down, but it definitely is not smooth. Like, where my eye has creases, It's definitely creasing. It's not exactly staying in place. It's a real bummer. Like, maybe I could get away with just using this as like a little portion of the eyelid, but even still, like, very disappointing. If you've tried this out, if you've found ways to make it work, please let us all know in the comments down below. But I have tried out many liquid eyeshadows, and this is just really not a type of formula that I'm going to be using, as pretty as this color is. So thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.